simple truth. Films bring people together without asking who they are, where they come from, or what language they speak, and what is exactly we are experiencing tonight. Cinema has a magical quality, that is, stories travel faster than people and emotions travel even faster than stories. A film made in the hills of the Northeast can connect effortlessly with someone sitting in Nalgonda, example, or Hyderabad. Hyderabad is a better place for its culture, tourism, and food. Everyone who visits the city tells me that same thing. Sir, Hyderabad feels like home. City is famous for its Hyderabad biryani, example, historical places like Charminar, Falaknama Palace, Birla Mandir, 14th century Rajkonda Fort, Hussain Sagar Buddha statue. The spirit of openness is one of the reasons Telugu cinema has grown so remarkably. Today, Telugu films stand on the international stage on par with the Hollywood standards. Our technicians, VFX teams, writers and directors are among the world's finest. The world has noticed massive global releases to Oscar-winning achievements. Telugu cinema has proved that stories made in our soil can travel across continents and captivate global audiences. Hyderabad has played a huge role in this rise. Ramoji Film City, the world's largest studio, continues to be a powerhouse of creativity, a place where impossible ideas become possible. As a government, we want to make this ecosystem even stronger, not through speeches, but through action, smooth approvals, better infrastructure, and improved roads that connect filmmakers to new locations across the state. As a Minister of Cinematography, my dream is simple. When a filmmaker thinks of a script, Telangana should automatically become the first choice for shooting. All the young filmmakers in the audience, this is your moment. Film festival like this are where ideas turn into collaborations, friendships turns into partnerships, and dreams turns into projects. Don't limit your vision. Hyderabad is a city that gives space for a big dreams, and Telangana is a state that wants to support those dreams. Come work here. We will support you. Enjoy the screening of watching Assami, Tripuri, Manipuri, Kasi, Hindi, Telugu, Sikkim, Nepali movies and enjoy Hyderabad. I am also thankful to His Excellency Governor of Telangana for taking such an initiative step to bring together the Northeast cinema and Tollywood cinema makers. My best wishes to every participant, every guest who contributed making this festival successful, especially our MD Priyanka taken and his team taken. Congratulations to my MD and other every guest who contributed making this festival successful, especially our MD Priyanka taken and his team taken. Congratulations to my MD and other FDC chairman and my staff. Thank you, His Excellency Governor. Vishnudev Sharmaji taken a good step. We never expected to Northeast and Telangana connection. MOU is signed. I am very happy as a cinematography minister. Thank you once again, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Honorable Minister, sir.